Welcome to World Stops, your place for relaxing world discovery. Today, we begin a calm journey through Norway, a land of deep fjords, soaring mountains, and endless coastlines shaped by ice and sea. Norway's coastline twists for thousands of kilometers, carved by ancient glaciers into long, narrow fjords. Among them, Sognefjord stretches far inland, while Geirangerfjord and Narøyfjord rise in dramatic walls of rock above still, green water. Across the interior, the Scandinavian mountains form a rugged spine. Peaks like Galdhøpiggen rise above snowfields and ice, while broad plateaus such as Hardangervidda spread out in windswept, open landscapes of rock, moss, and quiet tarns. Glaciers and snowmelt feed countless waterfalls, threading bright lines through steep valleys. In spring and early summer, rivers swell and run clear and cold toward the sea. the coast, thousands of islands dot the Norwegian Sea. The Lofoten Islands stand out, sharp mountain ridges lifting directly from the ocean, with sandy coves tucked beneath dark stone. Inland waters shape the land as well. The Glomma, Norway's longest river, winds through forests and fields, while lakes, like Mjøsa, the largest, mirror skies and hills, anchoring quiet valleys. Far to the north, landscapes open into Arctic Tundra. Here, permafrost and hardy plants define the ground, and the horizon feels endless beneath clear, cold air. Norway's climate shifts dramatically from south to north. Along the coast, mild ocean currents keep winters relatively temperate, while deep inland valleys and the far north experience colder, snow-filled seasons. Summer brings long days, and in the Arctic Circle, the midnight sun lights the sky for weeks on end. In contrast, winter nights reveal one of nature's most breathtaking displays, the Northern Lights. Curtains of green, violet, and gold shimmer across the polar sky, turning Norway's frozen landscapes into a glowing dreamscape. This interplay of light, season, and scenery makes Norway's natural world truly extraordinary. Across lowlands and hillsides, forests of spruce, pine, and birch cover wide areas. In these woods, moose move quietly between shadow and light, while lynx and brown bears keep to deeper cover. On high plateaus and mountain edges, herds of reindeer cross lichen-covered ground. In sheltered valleys, Arctic foxes endure long winters, and high above, golden eagles circle on mountain winds. Along sea cliffs, seabirds gather in great numbers, puffins, kittiwakes, and guillemots nesting above the waves. Offshore, rich waters support whales and seals, moving along deep, cold currents. From glacier-carved fjords to Arctic tundra, from forested valleys to storm-shaped coasts, Norway is a landscape written by ice, water, and time, alive with resilient life in every season. Thank you for watching World Stops. If you enjoyed this journey through Norway, please like, subscribe, and join us again for the next relaxing world discovery.